a line extending from Muncie to near Greenwood, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connorsville, Batesville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Liberty, Hagerstown, New Paris, New Madison, Fountain City, Dublin, Oldenburg, Glenwood, Lake Santee, Franklin, Waterloo, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Metamora, and Bunker Hill. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 4. I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 149.